not that hungry because I said I was gonna make myself French toast this morning, but I'm not even hungry right now. So I couldn't find anything to watch on Netflix, but I did find Becoming, this documentary from Michelle. So I'm watching that. I'm about to show you guys my my grades, but like they're not really my grades because my real grades are gonna be in my transcript. Not an A minus in ballet. Why? So now I have a 3.97. Not appropriate. Not appropriate at all. Baby, tell me this your body. Your long shot hot. I'm getting high and it's one more shot. Gonga so yeah. See the fish. Tell me, bad man, say I need your love. Road, bad energy, stay far away. I'm waiting for the moment where like I feel different, but I don't. I feel the same every birthday since I've been like 16. I feel the same because mentally I'm 30 and I'm just waiting for my body to catch up. So yeah, good news though. I emailed the professor about the A minus and he said that he changed my grade to an A last night. So I possibly might have a 4.0 again. So something that's good for space.
This is too funny.
Yeah.
That dance is so fun. That's my favorite dance.
For juice. We don't have any juice. Mama said can you... So this is the end of the vlog. I actually had a lot of fun. I was just chilling, eating food, and I got to buy myself the iPhone 11. So overall it was a good day. And look forward to better video quality. Yeah. Thanks for watching.